Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore how to find duplicate values in two given columns using various methods. Whether you're using Excel formulas, VBA macros, or conditional formatting, these techniques will help you quickly identify and manage duplicate data in your spreadsheets. Let's start with the formula method, which is a powerful way to find duplicates without writing any code. We'll use a combination of if, iserror, and match functions to create a formula that will compare values in two columns. The formula we'll use is equals if iserror match A1, $1, $4, 0. A1. This formula checks each value in column A against the range in column B. If a duplicate is found, it will display the value in column C, making it easy to spot duplicates. For those who prefer a more automated approach or need to handle large datasets, a VBA macro can be an efficient solution. We'll write a macro to compare two columns and highlight any duplicate values, making them stand out clearly. To begin with the VBA macro, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the Developer tab. If you don't see the Developer tab, you may need to enable it in Excel Options. Click on Visual Basic or use the shortcut Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic editor. In the VBA editor, you'll see a menu that allows you to manage your Excel project. To create a new module, click on Insert, and then select Module from the drop-down list. This new module will be where we write our VBA code. After saving your VBA code, return to your Excel workbook where the data is located. Press Alt plus F8 to open the Macro dialog box. This will display a list of all available macros in your workbook. In the Macro dialog box, find and select Find duplicates in two columns, or whatever name you've given to your macro. Click Run to execute the macro. The macro will prompt you to select ranges in two different columns. Select the first range in one column that you want to compare for duplicates, such as A1, A4. After selecting the first range, you'll be prompted to select the second range in another column, such as B1, B4. Click OK again to confirm your selection. The macro will now run, comparing the values in the two selected ranges. It will identify any duplicates and prepare to highlight them. The macro will apply a highlight color to the duplicate values, making them easily distinguishable within your dataset. Our third method leverages Excel's conditional formatting feature, which allows us to set up rules that format cells based on specific criteria. In this case, we'll use it to highlight duplicate values. To apply conditional formatting, select the column you want to check for duplicates, go to the Home tab, and click Conditional Formatting under the Styles group. Choose New Rule, and then use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, enter equals COUNTIF $B, $1 greater than 1. To find duplicates, click Format to choose a background color for highlighting. And then click OK to apply the rule. The duplicates in your selected column will now be highlighted. Congratulations! You've learned 3 different methods to find and highlight duplicate values in 2 columns in Excel. These techniques are invaluable for cleaning up your data, ensuring accuracy, and making informed decisions based on your spreadsheets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try these methods to enhance your Excel skills and improve your data management capabilities. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.